Welcome to the V-Myth Experience Center. Here, machines, materials, and real-world ideas come together. We do more than show machines. We show what you can create with them. Leaves, paper, wood, felt, leather, acrylic, stone, metal. Every material feels different. And every material brings new possibilities. They can become custom products, accessories, home decor, gifts, or something truly unique. It all starts with a simple idea. Then, step by step, that idea becomes real. Something you can use, something you can share, or even something you can sell. This is how creativity takes shape. With precise cutting and engraving, ideas can take shape on many materials, from soft felt and fabric to leather, from architectural models to detailed wooden crafts. Every line matters. Every detail matters. Precision makes each idea clear, real, and within reach. For creators, it turns ideas into finished work. For small businesses, it turns creativity into products and opportunities. For our partners, it opens up more applications and more solutions for their customers. At V-Myth, we believe the machine is only the beginning. What truly matters is what you create with it.